This is a homemade yogurt.
That's the homemade yogurt.
Yeah.
You take that?
Yes, it is for yourself. I put it here. With, this one is the part which we consider as one of the tastiest. You want some sugar in there? Or you want it like that? Boil the milk, fresh milk, cow milk.
This is a roti. Plain roti.
And now she's cooking some roti, a plain roti. The bread.
So you boil plain milk?
Yes, boil the milk. Till you get thick cream, the layer of the cream on the top. Then leave it cool down with still very little warm in there, but leave it cool and then put the yogurt in there and leave it for whole night in fridge, and it will become the yogurt.
You put yogurt in there. What kind of yogurt? Just plain?
Same yogurt. When it is almost finished, we save some, like a half a cup of this one,
Oh.
and put in there. It become what do you call it?
Well, how do you do it the first time if you don't have yogurt to put in?
We get from or get from my sister's house. 99% Indians, they do not use the supermarket yogurt. Homemade yogurt.
Okay.
रोका पे निकाल दे. This mango pickle. Okay.